Algae are considered simple plant-like organisms. They are plant-like because they photosynthesize and simple because they do not have the distinct organization of higher plants, such as organs and vascular tissues. Plants like protists are autotroph during photosynthesis. Algae uses sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide from the air to make food for itself. Most algae store that energy in some form of carbohydrate or sugar. Algae can be found in ocean, river, lake, pond, or even aquarium. They are aquatic because algae purify water by absorbing nutrients and heavy metal from ocean, stream, and river. Algae may be colonial or filamentous because algae are colonies of microscopic plants that link together to form thread under the water, but they can break loose and form floating mats. Algae are not classified as plant. Instead, it is classified in category called protist.
The reproduction of algae can be discussed under two types, namely asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. The former type refers to reproduction in which a new organism is generated from a single parent in case of sexual type. Two haploid sex cells are used to form a diploid zygote that develops into an organism. Many small algae reproduce asexually by ordinary cell division or by fragmentation, whereas larger algae reproduce by spores. Some plants, like protists, replicate using binary fission, which is dividing in two. Binary fission is a type of asexual reproduction where a parent cell divides resulting into identical cells. Each cell has the potential to grow to the size of the original cell.
Cellular organization of algae. The algal cells are eukaryotic and contains three types of double membrane bound organelles. The nucleus, the chloroplast, a plastid that contains high amount of chlorophyll, green pigment, and when photosynthesis takes place. And the mitochondrion display a vital role in converting food energy into energy for biological processes. In most algal cells, there is only a single cell nucleus, although some cells are multinucleate. Multicellular organism can be defined as a living organism which consists of multiple cells.
Classification of algae. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made of inner layer of cellulose and an outer layer of pectase. Most of members have one or more storage bodies called pranoid, located in the chloroplast. Pranoid contains protein besides starch. Red algae. All species are multicellular. They live in marine environment. They live attached to rock by a structure called a holdfast. Its algae store their foods or flooding starch. Brown algae are mostly marine. They are found in cold water, along the coast, near coral reefs, and in deeper water. And the size and shape of brown algae vary greatly. Their size ranges from a few cms or an inch to 100 meters. The brown algae reproduce by the means of regulated spores and gametes.
Euglena is so unique because it is sort of like a plant and also like animal. It is spear-shaped. It has a webbed tail called flagellum that allows it to move through the water. Diatom have shells composed of silica, abundant in fresh and saltwater ecosystem. Box shape contain chlorophyll and carotenoids for golden color, a common type of phytoplankton. Dinoflagellates, one golden brown or summer green. They have two flagella and they spin in a top-like motion. When disturbed, they glow, causing the ocean to light up. The chemical reaction that causes the glow is called bioluminescence.